2012 Mazda 2. The Mazda 2 is zoom zoom in its most concentrated form. A sporty yet functional style, seating for 5 and exceptional fuel economy up to 35 miles per hour. The Mazda 2 is responsible fun and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front, FWD, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, power mirrors, rear wiper, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.